Good evening, one and all. My name is Ganesh Suryamsi and my registration number is 19MIC0027. Now I am going to explain about the command lines used in largest numbers program in an array. The mount C command is used to working directory from which DOSBox was started, mounts a specific folder from your hard drive. Command C is used to change the directories from Z to C. And CD command is used to change the working directory. And we use CD command to edit the files. We use edit.filename.asm. .asm abbreviation means automatic storage management. My friend Jayshankar will continue next.
Good evening to all. My name is Jayshankar. Registration number is 19MIC0049. First two lines are for the initializing the data segment, and SA is installed as 3000 in the register, which is input, and the output result will be stored in 3500. Then we go to CL, which has SA pointing to the code, and CH is 00H, and we increment SA by 1, and then we load value from the offset register AA, and then we decrement the value of register by CL by 1 and increment value of SA by 1. Comparing both the AL and SI, then JC jumps to given address. If columns is set by BL, moves to the content registered AL and the increment S by 1. We create if statement and the value AL is greater than the SA value, pointing AL will take value. So AL will have highest value. If the flag register is 0, then S part is executed. If flag register is 1, if part is executed. This loop will be repeated until the CX value is equals to 0 and decrease of CX by 1. AL moves to the content to DL. And the HLT means halt, which means to stop the program. From here, my friend will continue.
I am Chandra Rakesh. Registration number is 19MIC0059. Now I am going to explain you about the step-by-step process of step-by-step output process of the source code. Now we enter masm filename.asm and we got 0 errors and 0 warnings. So we enter the command link filename.obj command, which gives us the run file, list file and libraries. Now we debug the file with debug filename.exe extension. Now we type the T command to see the step-by-step procedure of the output. Now we got the AX register is and data segment register. In next step, source index register 3000 address is stored in source index register, and in the next step 3500 register is stored in a destination index register. In the next command, the content in the source index register is stored in CL, which is data register, which consists of 16-bit of memory. Then we enter data segment value 3000. In data segment, we enter the values of the array as 4, 3, 5, 9, and 6. In next step, we display the content in the data segment register 3000. Here we got the array values in the first line as 4, 3, 5, 9, and 6. Next, we enter the array values in data segment register 3005.
My name is Shashank. My registration number is 19MIC0025. Now I am going to explain the remaining segment of the output. Now I am initializing the resultant. I am changing the register value, changing resulting values in 3005. In that, I am assigning the 1E as a zero initially. Then I am displaying the DS register, displaying the 3005 register, how the initialize will be. Then it initially 0. Then we are going with the jump instruction. Initially in jump instruction, the X value is 76 allocation, then BX value is all zeros initially, then the SI is equal to 3000 value, then DI the value is 3500, that which is the resultant changing register. Then again we are going with the jump instruction. Then again with the SI value is 3000. Then again we are going with the jump instruction. DS value becomes SI value becomes 3001. Now the value of array element is 3. Then again we are going with the jump instruction. Up to we are going with the jump instruction as SI value 3001. Then again we are going with jump instruction. Now the now the value of SI becomes 3002. It will be incremented because of changing of resistance. The if condition is true, then it will change. It will change. It will change. Then again we are going with the jump instruction. Now the SI value also same 3002. Again we are going with jump instruction. The DS value becomes 3002. Then again we are going with the jump instruction. Now the SI value becomes 3003. It will be incremented because the if statement is executed. Then again now the SI value becomes 3003 for the variable of 09. Then again we are going with the jump instruction. Now the SI value is 3003. Now the again we are going with the jump instruction. The SI value becomes 3004. Then then we are going with the jump instruction. Now the DSI value becomes 3004 for the element of 6 is allocated for the 3004 memory. Then I am going with jump instruction. Now the condition is true. Then the SI becomes 3005. Then we are going with now the SI value becomes 3005 and it is 74 value. Now the program is halted because the conditions are true. Then we are going with the display DDS 3005, which are resultant vector. This is the resultant vector. Then again we can give the jump instruction. Then again we go on with the jump instruction. Then now we can display the resultant. Now the display value of the changed register is, see here the largest value of in the array element is 9. So it is allocated in the starting of the 3500 memory allocation. So this is the end of the program. Now the program is executed. We can quit the program using quit command, quit command.